We're headed towards site number 13. We just passed the bathhouse, and when you get to this fork in the road, you want to take to the left here, and you're going to move all the way back this way. Come on back towards site 13. You can see it up ahead. This is what you'd be looking at. So you can basically pull your car into this area right here, and then you put your tent, or if you're back in your trailer. No, we don't. Back here, there's a fireplace and the picnic table, and a nice, pretty big site for several tents and everything. Site number 13.